Hi there, welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Faye. In this lesson, I am going to teach you how to say "you fucked" in Haitian Creole. I am Faye, your host. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and please share our videos with your friends, family, and your ex. This video was requested by a friend of mine. She was wondering how to say "you fucked" in Haitian Creole. So, let's start. There is a myriad ways to say "you fucked" in Haitian Creole. The most common way to say "you fucked" in Haitian Creole is ou betize, ou betize, ou betize. I am going to give you an example. If somebody doesn't know how to swim and say to you, "I'm going to jump in the deep end of the pool," what can you say to him?
In lack of other words, I'd say you're fucked.
You can say to this person, "ou betize," because you know for sure there is no way he's gonna come out of this situation unscathed. Ou tonbe na kaka. Ou tonbe na kaka, you stepped in shit. Ou tonbe na kaka. Ou pran na tenten. Ou pran na tenten. Ou pran na tenten. Ou chire. Ou chire. Ou chire. Ou pran na gonm. Ou pran na gonm. Ou pran na azipopo. Ou pran na azipopo. You fucked. Azipopo, the literal translation is a stubborn curse. So if somebody put a curse on you, they said "ou pran na azipopo." Ou pran na pèlen. Ou pran na pèlen. Pèlen in Haitian Creole means trap. If somebody is out to get you and they set out all kinds of traps, if you fell into those traps, people would say "ou pran na pèlen." You fucked. Ou pran na petren. Ou pran na petren. Your feet get entangled into a massive piles of dough. Ou pran na zip. Ou pran na zip. Ou pran na mera. Ou pran na mera. Ou pran na mera. Ou pran na mera. Mera is a poison. It is often extracted from bitter yucca or mayokame in Haitian Creole. Ou mare, tankou, krab. Ou mare, tankou, krab. You tied up like a crab. You tied up like a crab. Whenever someone say "you tied up like a crab," that means there is no way out for you. This is it for today. I hope you like this lesson. Until next time, goodbye.